what's up? Welcome back to my channel, and today I'm gonna be doing another wig review for you guys. So the wig I'm gonna be reviewing today is the Cloud9 Swiss Lace wig, 100% premium fiber. I got this in the style Solana and in the color 1. So this is just what the package looks like. This is the front. It's so pretty. So the card, it just basically says that it's HD lace, keep them guessing, period. So you guys, I'm so excited. Like, I watched a couple wig reviews about this wig and they all look natural as hell, but you already know I had to come on with the slay because the slay is a little bit different, sis. You get 2 combs in the front and you get a 3rd comb at the bottom, and then you guys already know, like, you get the adjustable straps in the back. So you guys can see what I'm about to do. Deep parted wigs, and the fact that they're like synthetic wigs makes it like even better, because bitch, that little 2-inch part that some synthetic wigs be giving you blows your cover, sis. So you can part it. Wow. Okay, okay. Excited about this. I'm about to finesse this shit, y'all. I'm about to go back like move it. I'm gonna go off camera. I'm gonna apply this. I'm gonna come back, talk about the wig, play with the wig, and yeah. So, oh my god, you guys, I can't believe I'm actually doing my hair on camera. I'm not gonna be on here talking too much, but pretty much I'm just taking my Gatsby glue spray, spraying the hairline, and blow drying it. I put the blow dryer on hot, and then I moved it to cold because bitch, that shit was burning me. I'm just going to be taking my NARS foundation, and this is in the shade Tahoe, and I'm just going to be adding that to the part just to make it a little bit more realistic, even though it really didn't need it. I'm going ahead and taking my scissors, and I cut the lace in 4 different sections, and as you guys can see that I'm cutting the lace in zigzag motions so that it will give off that more natural hairline effect. And right now I'm just going ahead and going back in with my Gatsby glue spray just to make sure everything is glued down. Okay, y'all, so I don't want to be on here talking too much of the video, but right now I'm just cutting my baby hairs, and then I'm taking my BB foaming hair cream just to mold them and just like mold them to my liking. I really don't want to be on here talking too much. I just want to let you guys watch. So yeah, everything is pretty much self-explanatory. Literally, bitch, just pay attention and you'll learn how to get this leg. So bye. Okay guys, so this is the final look of this Cloud9 sensational wig, you guys. Oh my goodness. Like, did I really just put this on my head? Does it really look this bomb? OMG, you guys. This hair is the bomb. I know I said yesterday that the wig that I got was like probably the best synthetic wigs, but this one right here, I think it's like 24 inches. I don't know, look at it in the mirror. Oh, this Cloud9 Swiss lace, this wig is it. The card, obviously I went for more this style, and you guys, this hair, you guys, I love it. It's really giving me like, bitch, I just went to Eric and Tay and spent $500 on my fucking install head ass. Like, guys, I don't even know what the fuck I'm on here saying. Like, what do I say? Like, this wig is the bomb is all I can really say. Notice that with like all, like, the whole Swiss lace, premium lace collection of wigs, I've noticed that it doesn't take much to install it. And I know, you guys, I actually installed this wig on camera, like, what? And it still came out super bomb, so I'm like, really happy. This wig is super easy to install. If you guys are not like really familiar or aren't that good yet, or just starting off, this wig would be perfect for you. If you don't really know how to maintain your real synthetic wigs, or like maybe not as good of quality synthetic wigs like this one would be it for you. It's only $50. Let's just talk about the lace. I'm at a loss for words, to be honest. It doesn't have like that Party City wig look. It doesn't have any of that. Like, it's just, look at that. Wow. I don't know if like the shipping times or anything like makes a difference. I got the wig in 4 days. Okay, so as far as like tangling, shedding, stuff like that, I did get a few tangles when I was like running my fingers. Look, you guys can see. When I was running my fingers through the hair. Nothing that you can't handle though. Like you guys know, like I like to like touch my hair. Like I like to do all of that. So the fact that I can see, this is what I'm talking about though. So the tangling is not that bad. Obviously you will get some. Just make sure you have a comb or a brush nearby, bitch, to make sure you get that out. It's not shedding bad. I am getting some strands when I do run my fingers through. Nothing too crazy. Obviously I'm just shedding so much though because it's a curly wig, and you know. I definitely rate this hair a 10 out of 10. By far one of my favorite wigs from the Cloud9 collection. I have another one waiting in a box that they sent me to finesse too, so I'm super excited to try that one out. Love the fresh like sew-in or like lace front effect, like really clean, no color, beautiful body curls. Like, I'm feeling this. So if you guys are not already subscribed to my channel, please go do that now and click the bell to be notified every time a bad bitch posts, period. I highly recommend you guys go get you one. Bomb for the low. It's about to be summertime. We on the coronavirus fucking shutdown. Comment down below to let me know what you guys think. You guys already know I must be really getting into this YouTube shit, because I never am like, comment down below, let me know what you think, because I usually never give a fuck. The details to this hair will be in the description bar below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, thotties.